Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Julie and I like to talk about handbags here on this channel and I like to do reviews. And if you're not new, welcome back guys. So it's so good to see you again. Today I'm gonna just do some quick reviews of two Coach bags that I really love. They're both made out of glove tan smooth leather and they're both fabulous. They are the Coach Borough Bowling Bag and the Coach Jonie bag here. Absolutely beautiful. I just picked them both up and they're both current styles at Coach retail right now. So let's go ahead and dive into them. I'm gonna first just do a fast review of the Coach Jonie bag and just tell you some details. I wanna show you about what fits in each bag as well because they are more compact styles. This one especially is definitely a compact mini bag. The bowler bag, I did do a reveal and I showed you quickly what can fit, but I want to pack it so pack it to the capacity so you guys can really see what can go in this bag. We'll start out here with the Jonie bag though first. The Jonie bag is absolutely beautiful. This is one in pale pistachio that I have. Again, smooth glove tan leather. There's no feet on the bottom. It is a crescent shaped bag and you can carry this bag just by the little handle right here. I can get my hand through this bag and you can carry it just like this in the crook of your arm. This bag does come with a long crossbody strap that I'll show you here in a little bit. And here you've got the little Coach hang tag hung by one of the D-rings that connects one side of the strap. Then you have the little zipper pull that is a C. It's absolutely darling. And then you have the other side, which is the other D-ring. On the top of the Jonie bag, you have a dog leash clip here. And what's so nice about this is whenever you want to get into the bag or zip it closed, you just undo this, open it up, and that makes it so much easier to get in and out of your bag. If you leave this closed and you try to unzip and zip, it's much tougher because it makes more of a U shape on this zipper and it's next to near impossible to get things in and out of it. So while you have this bag on crossbody, it's just easier, in my opinion, just to open this up and then do the zipper, okay? Now, whenever you undo the zipper, I do have the crossbody strap on the inside here. The interior is just one big compartment space. It is a microfiber interior. It's very nice. And then you have the Coach Creed patch right there on the inside, okay? The bottom of the bag says genuine glove tanned leather there in the foil. But no, this bag is just absolutely precious. And the measurements on it are 6 inches this direction, 3 1/4 inches from the base to the zipper, and then 2 1/4. So very compact. Whenever I carried this bag, I only carried 2-3 things in it, but it was perfect. I took it to a pool party, so just wore it on my body basically the whole entire time, and it was a joy to wear. I'll show you what it looks like with the little crossbody strap real fast. The crossbody strap is very long actually, and it's super thin. It's very proportional in my opinion to the bag, so that really works nicely. Love all this silver hardware. It's absolutely gorgeous. You've got a keeper here on the strap, and then you also have an adjustment. There's a ton of adjustments on this strap, and it's just great. It just flies right on. It's super cute. I absolutely love this bag. And I, again, never thought I would be one to get a tiny little mini bag, but I don't know, it's just so fun. And I'm a Coach collector, so this is just a great little bag. I see a lot of people putting these on top of their Lana shoulder bags, they'll connect it onto one of the Lanas. Even on the Lana 23s, I've seen people put the Jonie bags on it. I don't know how I feel so much about that. I think it's okay, but for me, I think this is just a usable bag in itself. So let me show you real quick what I can fit inside of this and how I use it. Okay, I think one of the most important things that I have to have with me is my card holder here. So I don't really like to show my cards that much, but here's my Coach card holder, and this is just a standard size, and it can go pretty easily right into the bag there. So that's fitting in there. There's a lot more room. This does not hold a cell phone, period. It won't hold, I mean, if you have one of those flip phones, this could fit a flip phone for sure. I'm gonna see if this could fit. I think my key pouch that has it has my gym pass in it, my like house key, my car fob. It does fit really, really well in there. And those two things are kind of big enough, and that actually zips. It zips completely up. I actually have fit a little bit more into this bag along with those items. Let me show you real quick. Let's see if AirPods can also fit in there with these things. I have my card holder, my key pouch, and AirPods with a case on it. And it does zip, but as you can kind of see, it's bulging and deformed right there. I don't know how I necessarily feel about that. So let's go ahead and take out the AirPods. And I'm gonna add in this Touchland and see how that looks. This also may be a little bit too bulky. You know, it fits, but I tell you what, guys, this bag is really just card holder, maybe a key fob, and a hand sanitizer. And that's pretty much it. But again, if you're just good to go with the bare minimum, this is such a great little bag, such a perfect little micro bag by Coach. I think it's just absolutely stunning, and it feels super good. The leather is butter. It's so good. So that is my little mini review of the Jonie bag. She is a cutie. And oh, they retail right now for $250 in many, many colors. Then they have the tie-dye one. I think that one retails for $295. This is all USD. Okay, so that is my little mini review of the Jonie bag. Next, let's move over real quick to the Coach Borough Bowling Bag. Okay guys, the next bag, this is an absolutely stunning bag. Currently on the Coach website, it is 50% off right now, and it's $212.50. Absolutely worth every single penny of that money. This is the Coach Borough Bowling Bag. It's great. It's a little clown car. It fits so much, you guys. I'm gonna go over some of the pros and cons that I've found with this bag. I have been using it for about a week or two, pretty solid actually, and it's just been a joy, seriously. So just to start off, it's 9.5 inches this direction, 6 inches this direction, and 4 inches here at the very bottom. It does have some nice width to it. There are no feet on the bottom, a little bit of a con on this bag. However, adding some handbag heels by the Gal's Guide would totally take care of that problem. The handles on this bag are they feel so good in the hand. I can't explain why. They're a little bit of a thinner handle than say the Rogue handle. If you're familiar with like what a Rogue top handle feels like, or just the regular Rogues, these are a little bit of a slimmer feel in the hand. This bag is very simplistic. It's plain. It does have Coach New York written right there, which is a nod to the original Borough bag. It's absolutely really cool how they did that minimal branding there. You do have the Coach hang tag that is affixed with the chain, and it does free flow all about the handles here. Here on the sides you have one D-ring, great placement for the connection of the strap. The back of the bag is basically identical to the front, it just does not say Coach New York on it. And then the other side you've got the D-ring for the other strap connection, and then you have the zipper pull. The zipper pull is a leather, smaller zipper pull. The base says genuine glove tanned leather on the bottom, no feet again. And as you can tell, this is the color chalk. There is some edge paint glazing on my bag. It's done very beautifully. I might add, and they did it in like a deep dark brown color. It's really, really nicely done. This bag is seamless. It's really, really nice. I really appreciate how they tucked the leather in and constructed this bag. It just reminds me of like a Retorn style, if that makes sense. It's just really, really nice. And this bag almost feels like it's padded and squishy. I know it's not. I know that there's no like inner quilting or anything like that, but it's just super, super soft to the touch. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up on the inside. On the inside, I keep the strap. This is a very nice, thicker strap that's made out of leather. It is about 1 inch thick. It's fully adjustable, fully detachable. And then on the interior of this bag, you guys, they did not do cloth of any kind. It's fully leather lined on the inside. Absolutely gorgeous. Fantastic job, Coach. You guys did a great job with this bag. Because you know what? When they do the extra details of putting leather on the inside of a bag, it just makes the world of a difference. You have one snap pocket on the interior with the Coach Creed, and that's it. The rest is just a regular pit. Okay, I want to talk to you a little bit about a con on this bag, just so you know. Whenever you use this bag, well, pro. The one-handed zip, done. This zipper is so good. I'm trying to think, like if you have like the Alma BB or the Revel 24 where you have this arch to go over, sometimes this can get caught. Not with this bag. This bag is so good to unzip and zip. Here's the negative though. With the Revel, the handles do fold down. With this bag, they don't. For some people, these little handles that are sticking straight up annoy the crap out of them. I understand that. So that's a con just to think about. The other thing is this opening's a little bit small because you do have to kind of, to get into your bag and to find things, because this is a deep, wide bag. There's a lot of things that can fit inside of it, but the hand opening's a little bit tight. But you know what? Passing my hand through this zipper, I don't have any issues with it. And I have very sensitive hands just from all the damage done to my hands. I feel not much going in and out of this bag at all. But just know it's like a tighter opening. And I've used this for like a good 2 weeks. So just so you know, that would be a con. And then we did talk about no feet on the bottom. One other little con that I did notice, and this is gonna be something that you're gonna notice possibly as you're wearing this bag. It's a little, I don't know if you guys have ever owned or watched my Gucci Soho Disco review, but sometimes when you go to put this bag on, it does this. Because of where the strap connection is, it's so far down the bag. With the Gucci Soho Disco, this can happen. So you have to almost level the bag back upright. Otherwise, sometimes when you get out of the car, it could even do this, okay? So make sure that this is upright or your bag is zipped, because you're gonna lose a lot of stuff out of your bag. But see what I mean? I will say, they did a good job by putting them here instead of here and here, because that is so annoying when you have a strap that is like here and here rather than here and here. Just saying. Okay guys, so that's basically my overview of the Coach Bowler bag. Is it worth it? Heck yeah, it is. And I'm gonna show you what can fit in it. I'm gonna show you how much this bad boy can actually pack. I'm gonna demonstrate how this is a Max case. I'm filming on my phone. So I'm gonna show you the Max phone can definitely fit in this bag. It's actually laying on the very, very bottom. I'm gonna put this bucket bag catch-all by LV in there. So that's very nice inside of that. Let's see here. I've got my like Ray-Ban sunglasses. I've got my phone, my LV bucket bag pouch, and the Ray-Ban sunglasses in there. It's kind of getting a little dark, I'm sorry. I've got my card holder, we'll plop that in. Definitely a compact wallet can fit inside this bag for sure. Let's go ahead and put my AirPods in there. Let's go ahead and put my keys. I gotta have my key pouch, that's in there. Now stuff's starting to kind of get a little bit on the jumbly side on the inside. I did try to put everything in a line, but now it's kind of starting to get a little bit more jumbled. And then I'm probably just gonna put like one more thing in there. I'll put my hand sanitizer. I mean, really more goes in it. It's honestly like a little tiny clown car. I think this bag possibly holds a little bit more than the Revel 24. I might as well just put my glasses, like my seeing glasses inside too. So that's more than what I would normally carry on a daily, but I can fit all of those things in there very, very well. So like a small bottle of water could even fit in this so pretty easily. There we go. Because it's got some weight to it, it's gonna be okay on that strap demonstration that I just did for you. So, but I just really, really find this bag awesome. They had it available in black. I think saddle could be sold out. They still have it for sale in chalk, and now they've brought it out in the dark lime with the brass hardware. That is beautiful. So race to Coach if you haven't bought this bag yet, or Macy's. I think Macy's may have it too. So all right, you guys, that is all I've got for you. Let me know what you guys think about both of them. Let me know if you guys have any questions about either of these bags. That's basically all I've got for you. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, I'm gonna be doing a 5K giveaway. As soon as I reach my 5K, I'm not far. So once I do hit 5K, I've got a Coach pen shoulder bag going to somebody. And it's brand new, I just picked it up. So that's gonna be my giveaway to a lucky subby of mine. And I'm gonna do like the announcement of it like after I hit 5K. But I've been doing YouTube now since 2021. And I'm just so grateful, thankful for everybody. That's why I want to do the giveaway. I really needed to give back big time to you guys because you've been so amazing to me. So I really just appreciate you guys. I appreciate the handbag community just in general. I love chatting with all you guys and getting to know all of you guys. I've met my best friends through this, like for real. And then also check out David's Closet, you guys, because he is close to his 1K. Also check out Millie Gallier. Millie Gallier is getting close to her 1K also. I really, really am jazzed about them hitting their 1K very quickly. David and I are gonna be meeting up on Saturday to have lunch together. So, cause we live close by, but I'm excited to hang out with him. Wish I lived closer to Millie. I don't think we live close at all to each other, but anywho, that's it guys. Thank you so much. You take care now. Bye-bye.